Hey, what's up guys? Today is January 31st, 2018. I don't know what happened to the SPY today. That thing dropped. It just dropped out of nowhere. I haven't looked to see what it was just yet, but I'm sure I'll find out what it was. But it looks like people bought the effing dip on that because it shot right on back up where it came from. How it goes these days. Next first ticker. First ticker I took today is CRZO. Cut the music. I shorted it right here and got a little bit antsy. The thing did exactly what I wanted it to do. When I shorted right here and pulled back against me, I covered right here. That was the first place. CRZO. Next ticker, BMW, my new favorite stock, at least for the current time. Longed it right here, and this is a whole dollar mark right here where it kind of stops, 123. So when it kind of started turning around right there, I'd gotten a little bit over a point, so I just covered, or I sold right there on that one. And those were the only two plays that I took this morning, during the morning. Went on a walk during lunch, was away from my computer, and came back and looked to try to take two more plays. First one I took was Mark. Longed it right here, and I basically got in at a bad area. I'm right at the whole dollar mark, 10. It's $10 right here. We were up above it, we were below it, we were up above it, but we weren't falling down and we weren't taking off either. So it didn't feel right to me. It felt like if we were going to do anything, that we were going to go down. So since we were dancing above and below, I didn't like it. You know, it did make this little tiny move right here. My price target was up higher than that. I don't know if I would have been able to catch that or not because it was just a wick. But either way, it doesn't matter. I got out right here and did what I thought was right on that one and preserved my capital. And then the next play, you know, I've been a little bit antsy so far on the three trades that we've shown. So my answer to that on this next play is I cut my position, my risk down. So I reduced my risk and took one more play, MXIN. A little bit more comfortable now, being patient. I shorted them right here, and you know, we were kind of just stuck in this area right here, but what I noticed was, the RSI kept climbing, and then it would just collapse. And then it would climb, and collapse. And so when I got in right here, we were kind of dancing around and stuff, but I was just basically looking for that same move on the RSI, but I assumed not as much strength as the first few. So that was what I was doing there, and I covered right there, and that was the last play for the win on that. So that's a wrap, guys. We'll see you on the next one.